Algorand is both a digital currency and blockchain platform. The Algorand platform is designed to process many transactions quickly, similar to a major payments processor like MasterCard or Visa. Algorand can host other cryptocurrencies and blockchain-based projects, making it a direct competitor to Ethereum. Before that, if you are new to this channel, welcome to Crypto Trend, and don't forget to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for instant notification. The platform's native currency, ALGO, is used to secure the Algorand blockchain and pay processing fees for Algorand-based transactions. Algorand is an open-source blockchain, meaning that anyone can view and contribute to the platform's code. Algorand uses an operating protocol called Pure Proof of Stake, which recruits network operators from the entire pool of ALGO coin holders. The Algorand platform and accompanying cryptocurrency were founded in 2017 by Silvio Micli, a professor at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and noted cryptographer. The total supply of ALGO is kept at 10 billion coins, with about 7 billion ALGO already circulating. Algorand markets itself as a highly efficient, scalable platform that can immediately finalize transactions. Algorand aims to achieve global trust among trustless parties through blockchain-based decentralization. The platform prioritizes simple designs for developing technology that can eliminate barriers to prosperity. Algorand bills itself as the most efficient and greenest blockchain. Since April of 2021, Algorand has been carbon negative, meaning that the platform purchases carbon credits that more than offset its carbon emissions. Thanks for watching. See you in the